Hey guys, today we're going to do a guide on how to sign up for Timestation. Department of Labor regulations require that you use a specific type of record keeping for your employees clocking in and out in their hours. The best solution that I've used has been Timestation. Square does offer an internal clocking in software, but Timestation, which we have used in the past, but Timestation is an all-encompassing one. So we've gone periods where we've used both. We've gone periods where we've only used Timestation. We're currently only using Timestation at the corporate level because it fulfills all our needs. But I'm going to go over right now how to get signed up on Timestation, how to create new employees, and how to get notification based on them clocking in and out. So right here, the first 10 employees are free. We're just going to make a fake store right now. Costa Oil, PA. The email is going to be the login, so you can use your own login, your own email. I would use your @costaoils.com email, and let's make the password oil change. So we're going to go ahead and log into HQ@costaoils.com, oil change, and it's going to bring us to the first page of the platform where it's going to allow you to onboard new employees. So it does give you the ability to print employee cards, which can be scanned by Square, because Timestation does have its own app that will be on the point of sale system. The Square stand will allow you to download that Timestation app to the iPad, and then using the camera you can actually use the employee card to log in. I would say maybe 2 employees in the past 5 years have ever done that for me. Most of them are just going to use a 4-digit code. So you can create an employee either manually, or if you have a roster, you can use the Timestation template to add new employees. We're just going to add Joe Smith, Anytown. We'll select new department, Anytown, PA. Employee ID, this will be employee number 1. They're either going to be an oil changer or a manager. It's 15 an hour. And then you want to ask them what their 4-digit PIN is. The 4-digit PIN will be given to you by the employee when you onboard them, and you can set up a form to have that information automatically sent. We have that at the corporate level, and I can go through that on a different video, but for right now we're just going to do 1111. Right here, you want to be notified every time this person clocks in and clocks out. It's the easiest way to be able to tell when that person has clocked in for the day. It's the easiest way to tell if a store's been open. I am in the habit now doing this for 7+ years of just the first thing when I wake up in the morning and I'm brushing my teeth, if it's around the time that one of the stores are opened, depending on, some of the stores open at 8, some open at 9. We have stores in Central Time that open at 10. The emails let me know, okay, that store got open for the day. If someone doesn't clock in immediately, I can give them a call and be like, hey, what's going on? So I have a specific email specifically for Timestation. It's something I set up so that the clock in notifications don't get lost in the sea of all the other emails that I get. So that email for me is timestation@costaoils.com. Now, for the employees to be able to access their clock in so they can view when they clock in and out, you can put in their email, joesmith23@gmail.com. That's probably an actual email, so I'm just going to add in a bunch more numbers. You can go ahead and click create employee, and then that adds them in. When that individual goes into the system and clocks in through the app, after you've logged in on HQ@costaoils.com, or actually in this case, whatever your email is that you use to sign up, right here will either be a green light or a red light. And so I'm going to show you that real quick. We're going to log out, and we're going to go to Harrisburg real quick. We're going to log in. And this shows all the employees that are clocked in right now. Marlon clocked out early today, so he is shown here. There's more employees on the roster. The full roster is right here. So David Rice is getting married this weekend, so he's not working. And so these are all of the Harrisburg, Dillsburg, and Camp Hill, Hanover employees. The reason I have them all on one Timestation is because these employees float, and because they float, I need the same login right here. I need the same login at all of the stores' iPads that those employees float, so that they can clock in at any site. So if you are a multi-unit owner, you will want to have the account that allows you to have multiple employees, more than 10 employees, so that if they float from store to store, there's only one login for Timestation. So that's it for Timestation in terms of that. We will do a second video shortly on how to build a report to see how many hours the employees have worked.